Hi, South Milwaukee students. It's Miss McNicoll here. And today we're going to work on estimating our larger multiplication problems. An estimate is a good way to look at understanding place value and try to find a number that's what your actual answer is going to be close to. So when you estimate, you always look at your estimation, then you look at your actual answer, and they should be pretty close. So we're going to work on an activity today called closest estimate. Okay. So what I want you to do is I want you to go ahead, pause the video and read through the problem a number of times to make sure you understand what's going on in this problem. Go ahead and do that. Okay, now that you understand the problem a little bit, we're going to go ahead and try to fill in our structure of multiplication. Did you find the number of groups, the size of each group, and the total? I'll read the problem to you this time, and we'll go through and try to find out. Miss McNicoll went to the store to buy pencils for her students. She bought 22 packages with 18 pencils in each package. How many pencils did Miss McNicoll buy in all? This could be very true, as my students know. We went through pencils like you wouldn't believe. So let's go and dive deeper into the problem. So I need to buy pencils for my students. I bought 22 packages with 18 pencils in each package. And I'm trying to find out how many pencils did Miss McNicoll buy in all. Okay, so I want you to go ahead and fill in this chart in your mind. All right, if you said 22, those are the packages, and 22 packages, the size of each package is 18, and those are 18 pencils. And what we're trying to solve for is how many pencils in all. So that's our unknown for right now. All right. So if we're going to estimate, we want to find numbers that are going to be very friendly to multiply by. And I like multiplying by multiples of 10 because 10 is easy. Multiples of 10 are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and all the numbers you land on when you count by 10. So I'm going to take this 22 and I'm going to think to myself, that is pretty close to 20. Okay, so I'm going to put the 20 down as I kind of rounded it to 20. And then I have 18 pencils here. Again, pretty close to 20. So I'm going to put that estimate here for 20. Now, here's our actual problem. Here's our estimate. If you notice, my equal sign isn't an equal sign. It's like that. It just means as close to. So we're not going to actually find the answer. All right. So let's go ahead and work on how we would solve this problem. We're trying to solve 20 times 20. So let's use this to help us out. What would two groups of 20 be? Two groups of 20, that's 40. And let's take a look at this understanding of multiplying by multiples of 10. This factor, 2, I multiplied by 10. So I'm going to write times 10 here. This factor stayed the same. So if one factor is changed in one way and the other factor stays the same, the product or the answer needs to change the way the one factor did. So 40 times 10 is 400. That would be our estimate. Okay, we would estimate that that would be about 400. When we actually solve 22 times 18, our estimate will be our estimate is 400, so our actual answer will be very close to that. So as we have a story problem here, I did, of course, answer the story question. Miss McNicoll bought about, and notice I use the word about because it's not an actual problem or not an actual answer, about 400 pencils in all. Okay, so you have some closest estimates worksheets, and you can pick some estimates out and work on those and share them on Seesaw with your teacher. All right, have a great day. Bye.